Hi everyone, it's Lucy, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour around Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Myself and my husband Andy stayed here for 5 nights in September 2024 during our honeymoon, and with it being during the spooky season and Halloween Horror Nights events, there was loads of spooky decorations around the lobby, which was really cool. Cabana Bay is a very large resort of Universal's. There is plenty of quick service options. They've got loads of seating, as you can see, in the dining area. Just plenty of options for you during your stay. They've got fantastic gift shops, loads of unique merchandise in there, which we loved. They have a Starbucks location, which makes a real difference to the start of your day. And they even have a bowling alley. But let's get into the room tour. We stayed in room 8920. This was a double queen room. It's in one of the towers, so it was right down the far end. It was quite a long walk from the lobby. There are two towers you can stay in. This was block 8, and then the other one is going to give you a Volcano Bay view room. We had a pool view room. It wasn't something that we booked, but they did upgrade us with it being our honeymoon. It's kind of like a partial pool view room, but we could see off into the distance some of the rides at Islands of Adventure, which we thought was really cool. But the room itself, really bright, plenty of space, really comfortable, modern. The bathroom was absolutely fine. There was a nice mirror there. Shower and toilet area is separate, and a decent sized wardrobe. But of all of the things, it is our favourite reason to stay at Cabana Bay. No, it's not this gorgeous lazy river. No, it's not this incredibly inviting hot tub. It is without doubt the fact that you can walk literally round the corner to Volcano Bay. You have your own separate entrance as a resort guest, you get early entrance as a resort guest, and it makes such a difference. What a perfect way to start a relaxing day in Florida.